This is a video on how to use a fidget spinner. First, you grab the ball bearings, which is the two center circles. Then you can grab on the sides or flick with your finger. I like going like this. You flick it, then watch. That's how you use a fidget spinner.